Hi, hello everyone. It's Vanessa Garcés, and this is Fonética del Inglés. This topic is teaching practice workshop. So we are going to, I'm going to give you some tips that you can use to have a better pronunciation. So if you want to sound more like a native English speaker, I'll give you some tips that you can use in your real life. If you want to speak quickly and faster, those are going to help you a lot. So let's talk about 5 secrets that they are going to help you speak faster, more naturally, and less like a robot. So let's begin. So the first one is catenation, also refers as linking. This usually occurs when the consonant sound at the end of one word join the vowel at the beginning of the next. So we get, for example, this orange, but we want to say it faster. So we say this orange, this orange, that orange. We want to say that orange, that orange, that orange. And you see that the T disappear and it's like a D. It's pronounced like a D. Next one, this afternoon. So we want to say it faster. This afternoon, this afternoon, this afternoon, this afternoon. Is he busy? You want to say it faster. Is he busy? Is he busy? Is he busy? Okay, next one. Allusion. A clear example of this is the tendency in English to use contract forms, leaving out whole section of words. T or D, um, T or D when they are like next to the one another, one of those can disappear. So I'll give you some examples. Um, Next door. So we say next door, next door, next door. Dad, take me to school. We say Dad, Dad, take me to school. Dad, take me to school. Diamond ring. We say diamond ring, diamond ring. Most common. We want to say it faster. So the T disappear. We say most common, most common, most common. Okay. The next one is intrusion. It's in contrast the addition of sound in connected speech. The three sounds usually intruded are the approximates, semivowels. We 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 see that in those parts we we can sound like we have a W, a J, and a R. Okay, so the first example that we have he asked, he asked, he answered, she answered, she answered. And here you can hear very clear the W. Do it, do it, do it. Go out, go out, go out. Shoe on, shoe on. It's very different if we say it, do it, do it, go out, chew on. We take more time. So this is why we say it faster and we add like a W in our speak. The next one is assimilation. This occurs when a sound is altered because the speaker is anticipating the following sound or fluenced by a previous one, or both. One of the things that happens when we speak fluently is that the sound at the end of a word can change. For example, M changes to M before M, B, and P. T changes to P before M, B, or P. T plus J sounds like ch, ch, ch. Okay? So the first example that we have is don't you? Don't you know? So we say don't you, don't you, won't you, won't you, won't you, wouldn't you, wouldn't you, met you, met you, met you, met you. Um, did you, did you, did you, would you, would you, would you. The next one is geminates. Geminate speech sounds are exactly the same and one is said immediately after the other. So in this part we have two words and the first one uh, have the letter at the end is the same like with the letter at the beginning of the next one. So we have double L in social life. So we say it, we want to connect that two words. We say social life, social life, social life, social life. Very fast. So we have pet turtle, pet turtle. But we want to connect we want to say one T because we have two T's. And we can get very confused. So we say pet turtle, pet turtle, pet turtle, pet turtle. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you learn a lot in this presentation. Thank you. Bye.